Hello everyone. Good morning. This is Rajesh from SVS Interior Decker. SVS Interior Decker is a sole proprietorship company. We're dealing with all type of interior related works like wardrobes, cupboard, kitchen, puja sections, other modular work related. Also modular works, other thing trunky type of projects we are execution. The SVS Interior company started with 2014. In this company, this is sole proprietorship company. We dealing with all type of modular works and carpentry works. We are giving the service all type of south and north, villas, apartments, independent house. We dealing with all type of material with the execution interior concepts. Nowadays, interior is very competition. The vendors is very you can find one area almost 20 to 25 vendors one area will be there. For example, you take on Maratali, for example 25 to 30 vendors will be open that market. The client, main thing, the client will be which looking everything, the budget basis interior, at same time modular interior, design concepts, security, time durations, time of completions, everything the customers will be look. Especially SVS Interior, we cross all type of struggles and face that all type of bugs. For example, interior related queries, interior related ideas, everything we cross that, we stand by that in this field. We have experience, 10 to 15 years experience in this field. Almost at present we have completed 100 plus projects. We are dealing with Bangalore and Tamil Nadu, in Kerala and Hyderabad, in Mumbai. Everything we are dealing with interior products. Lot of customers will be expecting. The main thing is the budget interior. The budget interior, the great designs. At same time, good quality, everything the customers will be looking. The main confusion is which type of material we can going to select. The main problem is the customer side. For example, vendor will be suggested for this type of material you can use, the quality will come, this much of experience, this life will come, everything the vendors will be explained. But customers also will be looking for a lot of shops and vendors and refer for colleagues. Everything their customers will be looking the material section. Finally, they are confused which type of material we can use. Standardly, some materials will be keep following in standard. For example, green ply and century and kit ply, samrat. So four or five brands it will be standard for plywood basis. The main thing is plywood is very important for in interior. For you do whatever things, but 9 type of plywoods is there. The 9 type of plywood is very important. The customer side. This video is totally is for customer side. Which type of plywood I can go to select. So I need to explain this totally. So please don't skip this video. Please watch full. And also I explained that the total idea for plywoods. Because actually in this first video I need to explain what is the type of plywood, because I don't like that to explain what type of plywood, because in a lot of people will know what is the plywood. The main thing is the content of video, which type of plywood I can use, what is the usage, this is the main issue. So that's the reason I need to explain this video totally. So plywood is widely used for building material, for used for walls and structures, furnitures, everything will be important. There's a lot of categories is there plywood, 3 ply, 5 ply, multiply. So lot of plywood is there. Simply I will tell you the main type of plywoods in include using that interior, the softwood and hardwood and aircraft wood plywood and exterior plywood and lumber core and marine plywoods and overlaid plywood, structural plywood is there. So what is the exactly plywood? So exactly plywood is hardwood plywood, often simply referred for plywood is they call the name. Actually the plywood is very very important, made by sticking 3 or more boards is there. Lot of layers will come the plywoods. So which layer plywood I can go to start my interior. The types of ply, the 3 ply, 5 ply, 7 ply, 9 ply, 13 ply, the type of core is there. That is the called plywood. That is a very very important. That basis you need to pay the money and the hardness. The main thing very very important. The first thing is what is that 3 ply. 3 ply is very important. One of the most common plywoods. 3 ply. 3 ply means they are called layers. You can see the one plywood. The plywood, the layers will come. This kind of 3 layers of veneer and layer and be strong and durable, but can look more decorative than plywood. More plies making it a good choice of for indoor uses. So 3 layers plies you can use for indoor usages, and 5 ply for example 5 crore plies. This plies of 5 layers of veneers. This is another common type of plywood used projects for require less durability and strength than those need of exterior uses. Our next one is multiply. The multiply is most exterior use of and roofing. It can comprise several veneers, usually 7 or more, to create incredibility. For example, called strong, unyielding frames. You can use for multi type of layers plywood. For example, 19 mm like type of woods or 19 mm. The first thing is type of plywoods. The type of plywoods is main call. First thing is soft plywood. The soft plywood is manufacturers for make using soft wood. For example, like pine wood, redwood, or cedar. So the main thing is cedar plywood, redwood plywood, pine plywood. The main thing is for first ply. For example, soft plywood. Next one is hard plywood. The hard plywood is very very important for interiors. Typically there has between the 7 layers and uses hardwoods. You can see that your interior products, for example the one vendor will be dump material for your flat or independent house. You can wash that ply minimum for 6 and above. That is for very important for hardwood. The manufacturers glue layers of wood right angles to another to create incredibly strong finish. For example, brick plywood, work plywood, maple plywood, walnut plywood, poplar plywood, like that is calling. Another one is aircraft plywood. We don't use that. For example, aircraft plywood is for designing material for bend or circle, whatever it is. So that type of plywoods. And exterior plywood you can use for exterior designing purpose. You can use that plywood. And another one is lumber core plywood. Lumber core plywood usually made 3 plies within the called veneers, and each side of thick core is there. The outer veneers were typically made for hardwood, while that inner core is consist of strips and wood glue into one solid slab. The another one is marine plywood. The marine plywood there is different type of marine plywood is there, waterproof and BWP. Lot of plywoods is there, 710, lot of is there. So one section we can post that video. What is the marine? What is the 710? What is the BWP? What is the BWR? What type of material you can use that suggested in the interior? So everything one by one post that my page for SVS Interior Decor. So please watch. This is first video posted. So a little bit something slang will be you can't understand. Please sorry. So you can better to understand for next video. So please follow my page, and also you can follow my page for Facebook also and Instagram also, SVS Interior. In case of you need interior for your flat or house or independent house, everything you can call or WhatsApp 999726 80653. This number you can share me your floor plan. Based on that, I can suggest your interior budget and designs, custom designs. So which is the better for go for design, create the design or customer design. So based on that, I can suggest that video and designs. So please keep in touch. If you like this video, please like this video, subscribe and follow. Thanks all. Welcome.